मैं तो फ़कीर हूँ, आज लोग मुझे मलंग कहते हैं। भले कहीं सियाचिन से लेकर नगर पार तक सारे पाकिस्तान में सेंटर है, होम फॉर होमलेस। किसी को भी लावारिस मिला, इसका काम है उठा के उसको दाखिल करना। ना जात पात ना मजहब, सिर्फ इंसान इंसान को माने। मैं हूँ अब्दुल सत्तार ऐदी, मैं हूँ पाकिस्तान।
Edhi to me is a saint, a legend who has inspired many of us. I'm truly inspired the way he has lived his life, the way he has worked for the people around him, and without having any greed, any curse in his mind for anybody. He did it all for keeping the people happy around him, to spread happiness around the world, and to spread peace in the world around us. So I believe we should all follow the footprints of Edhi. Whatever he has done, it's easy to see the things in a form of documentary. It's easy to read about him in the newspaper and to get inspired by him. But it's really hard to follow the path.
Good morning, and we at City School are celebrating Edhi Week, and we are just trying to educate our children that humanity is the biggest religion. All other religions come after humanity, so be the best humans. Thank you very much.
I want to say that yes, Edhi has gone, but now we have to continue its values. We have to support its values and continue the norms which he started. Like the thing from which he is an example for us. We have to go for that. Alright, it's not that we have to just say he is a great humanitarian or not. That we have to learn from his life. It's just he wanted from us.
If we talk about our nation, or when we talk about or think about our nation, we are normally very pessimistic because of the circumstances we are facing, or maybe the conditions which are we living in. But if the examples, just like Abdul Sattar Edhi, if they are more common, and if we can look up to him as a leader or as a role model for our country, then we can be more optimistic in our thoughts and as well as in our actions.
He was the synonym to humanity. He was a legend, a saint, who showed us the real meaning of life.
Once a man asked Edhi, "Why do you take Hindus and Christians in your ambulances?" Edhi replied, "I don't see them as Hindus or Christians. I see them as human beings in need."
Thank you.
They say charity happens and it starts from home. If you can't do anything, just pass a smile.
When I think about Abdul Sattar Edhi, I perceive that he is the man who gave us the example of humanity. He is the person who provided homes to homeless.
For me, Abdul Sattar Edhi is the great example of humanity and an angel of mercy. Thank you, please.
He was a true example of humanity, and his death is not even like a loss for Pakistan, but to the world of humanity. But he will remain in the heart of nation because of his unmatched commitment to humanity. Some people come as a blessing, while others come as a lesson, and Edhi surely fits in this equation.
Edhi Sahab helped us a lot and I am proud of him.
Edhi, the richest poor man who served his whole life, who served humanity his whole life. We should all pray for him. May our land produce an Abdul Sattar Edhi again, and may he rest in peace.
I think that Abdul Sattar Edhi was the greatest humanitarian I have ever seen. That's why the children of Edhi would suggest him as Nana, and I believe that he is the true Nana of Islam.
अब्दुल सत्तार एदी के बारे में ये कहना चाहूँगी कि वो शेर की अमली तफसीर है। दर्द दिल के वास्ते पैदा किया इंसान को, वरना दाद के लिए कुछ कम न थे करोगे।
According to me, Abdul Sattar Edhi was a real patriot who made Edhi Foundation, which has hospitals, orphanages, and gives shelter to the people. So, if we want our country to be better, then we have to be a patriot like him. Thank you.
Abdul Sattar Edhi Sahab said that no religion is higher than humanity.
मैं समझता हूँ कि पाकिस्तान के मौजूदा हालात के तनाजुर में अब्दुल सत्तार एदी हम सब के लिए एक रोल मॉडल की हैसियत रखते हैं। उसकी वजह यह है कि पाकिस्तान में आज जिस कमी को शिद्दत से महसूस किया जा रहा है वो है रवादारी की कमी। हमारे यहाँ होने वाली दहशतगर्दी और इसके मुतल्लिक़ा बहुत से दूसरे मसाइल सियासी, समाजी, वो सभी इसी चीज़ की पैदावार है। अब्दुल सत्तार ईदी ने अपनी तवील ज़िंदगी में ये साबित कर दिया कि आप खिदमत कर सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, मज़हब, ज़ुबान, किसी भी किस्म की तफरीक से बाला होता है। तो तफसील का वक्त नहीं है, लेकिन अगर उनकी ज़िंदगी का हम मुताला करें और देखें पीछे मादी के अयाम में जानकर, तो एक वाक़या भी ऐसा नहीं मिलता कि ईदी सेंटर की तरफ से कभी भी किसी भी तफरीक का इजहार किया गया। और ये हम सब पाकिस्तानियों को
One of the goals of the study in which is said, we have become educated but we have not become human. So, we should become humans now and understand the real meaning of humanity. Thank you.
Abdul Sittar is known for this. It is a fact that the service he provided can be described in no words, but it is a demand that we do need more of this. Because ईदी साहब में कायदे-ए-आज़म में बहुत थोड़ा सा फर्क था। कायदे-ए-आज़म ने मुल्क बनाया और ईदी साहब ने मुल्क चलाया। शुक्रिया।
The death of Abdul Sittar Eidi was a great loss to humanity, and if we are really grieved of his death, why not to become like him and save the future of Pakistan? Thank you.